Society is embracing IoT, and even in the logistics industry, the arteries of the economy, solutions are sought to improve business efficiency. One issue has been troubling the industry for a long time: lost or over-concentration of logistics assets like pallets and roll cages. ALPS ALPINE presents an IoT solution to address this issue. Before, use of GPS and 3G technology to track assets was explored. But issues remained, including the inability to locate assets indoors, outside GPS reach, equipment and communication costs, and insufficient operation time. To get around these issues, ALPS ALPINE makes use of Sigfox and Wi-Fi communication, which allow indoor positioning, and an algorithm keeping communication frequency at an appropriate level was developed to keep down communication costs and power consumption. Sigfox is a communication technology developed by Sigfox SA of France. It enables low-energy, low-cost positioning and path tracking. Using Sigfox and a location service developed by ALPS ALPINE, information gathered from devices connected to a fixed Wi-Fi access point is sent via a Sigfox base station to a cloud. Advantages over GPS are faster positioning and, in factory and storage logistics, little effect on indoor positioning, like inside a warehouse where assets spend most of their time. Besides the communication technology, another feature of our long lifetime asset tracker, making use of a built-in 3-axis accelerometer and algorithm, is the ability to operate for long periods of around 10 years without battery replacement, since communication only occurs under certain conditions. As a result, we can deliver a solution at approximately 1/10 the cost of conventional methods. ALPS ALPINE and Sigfox have entered a global alliance partnership agreement establishing a framework for worldwide collaboration on business creation. Already 250,000 of the devices have been deployed in Europe. Now it is possible to locate those pallets and roll cages that before you could not find or had accumulated somewhere. Fewer assets will be lost. It will be easier to smooth out over-concentration of assets, and costs resulting from urgent procurement will be reduced. The long lifetime asset tracker brings innovation to asset management. ALPS ALPINE will carry on contributing to greater efficiency in industry and infrastructure with IoT technology.